Look at this thing. Yamaha 1986 Phazer 480. Mint. I think I put that down last time. Nice fuel gauges. Look at that shit. Clean, baby. Motor mounts, no dry rot. Nice pipe. Self-feeding oiler. Good boots on the carbs. All a ridge, baby. Fuck yeah. Giddy up. Let's rip her, tater chipper. Look at that decal. Phazer. Bitchin. Fucking starts right up. Half a fucking pull. Pretty nice, huh? Booyah. Look at all that shit. This track. Snow's melting 40 degrees. Get it while we can. It down a little. Woo, slide. Power drift, baby. Kids. Looking pretty sweet, eh? Thumbs motherfucking up. Look at that shit. She sparkles, man. Stoked. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Booyah. 1908 miles, original. Peace out, kids.